Well, a picture of targeted therapy of nanoparticles is most easily done by looking at this real illustration of magnetic nanoparticles. Here they are. There's millions of them in this bottle. They're in water. They're made of iron oxide. And targeted therapy is just simply this. You can direct nanoparticles to where you want them to go using a magnetic field. Here's a small magnet. If I place it over the solution, you can see that it becomes absolutely clear of the nanoparticles because the magnet has pulled them all to one area of the solution. And that's the principle that we have in the heart, where the solution of nanoparticles is injected. They're pulled out of the circulation by a magnetic field into a very small area on the surface of the heart, which is called the GP. It's a little neural computer on the surface of the heart which is responsible for atrial fibrillation. And atrial fibrillation being the most common arrhythmia in the world today and increasing with our aging population. The target that we're sending these nanoparticles to is actually about this size on the surface of the heart, over the atrium, and if we direct the medicine to that area of the heart, just deliver it there. We have shown in animals and proven that, and have filed our patent application that you can prevent suppressed atrial fibrillation, and this is where we hope to take it to the patient to have a less expensive, less risky, more effective means of just treating the tissue that size, not the whole heart, not the whole body. The formulation that's used to deliver this drug by magnetics is kind of illustrated by this bunch of little magnetic particles. You see the big one in the middle? That represents the magnetic component of the nano formulation. The red balls are illustrative of the drug that's being delivered. They are attached to the magnetic nanoparticle, the red ones being the drug. And then, because we're wanting this drug to be delivered over days and weeks, the small balls are illustrative of the polymer coating of the nanoparticle, a biocompatible, FDA-approved coating that coats the nanoparticle so that when it's in the patient, it will slowly dissolve and release the drug and do the therapy.